What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How's everyone doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day, because we have a fantastic day of news. A lot of stuff has come out in the last 24 hours since I last did this show, and we have two questions. Interesting questions. So let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is, if you're a BTS fan, Samsung and BTS are still in love, or I forget how they do their little sign, BTS. I'm doing it wrong, but they are still working together. Why do I know this? Because Samsung has put out a tweet saying this, that they are ready for what's about to come. Something great is on the way. Stay tuned to unfold your world. And ultimately, it looks like Samsung and BTS will partner for an unmissable transatlantic premiere of Yet to Come. I think that's one of their songs. Foldable video on August 10th. We have so much in store for you, not to mention some amazing new products to show you, so stay tuned. It's going to be one to remember. So again, BTS, Samsung working together. Now, is it just a music video? I would guess it is. It would be really cool to see some kind of partnership again between the two, and to release a specific phone or earbuds or something with that kind of branding and coloring that BTS uses, because they use a lot of purples in there. BTS, biggest band probably in the world right now, boy band, whatever you want to call them, Korean. They're Korean boy band, but they're huge all over the world. I actually just saw an orchestra thing. My wife loves them, and we went to this orchestra thing here in San Diego. BTS didn't play, but they played BTS songs, four-piece whatever you call it, violin and cello thing. So yeah, there was that. Next up, as you can see from the headline, Sekyung high-tech exclusive supplier of films for the Samsung foldables again. So on the Z Flip 4 and Fold 4, they will be using the same company that they've used for their screen protectors, little film screen protectors. You'll have the same screen protector, and it'll be the same one you peel off, or at least I know I probably will peel it off. A lot of you guys will keep one on. You think it's must needed, that it's going to save your phone from everything. But yeah, so screen protectors are going to be the same company they've used since the origin of the Z Fold and Flip lines. Next up is an unpacked trailer from Samsung, so it's official. And what I did with this video before I even start to play it is, what I did is I lightened it up, because they have everything so dark, and I made it's still the same colors. I just made everything kind of brighter so it stands out a little bit. And there's a couple of things that you're gonna see when this video plays. Two things in particular, and I saw this from Anthony the Galox. He tweeted it out, and I looked for it. He's like, you know what, nobody's right. So basically the two things are, one is it has a really flat, and they even say this, it's flat, meaning that the body, the frame of the phone seems more flatter. So it'll be less rounded in terms of like the metal parts, all this stuff that stands around. So it's gonna feel flatter, I guess, overall as a phone. The other big piece is the crease. You don't really see the crease on the Fold 4 on there, because when I do it, you can see a little crease right there. But in the video, you don't really see it. And obviously, I think there's still gonna be a crease, but maybe it's a little bit more hidden, a lot better. Who knows? I guess we'll have to wait and see, or maybe they just did some really good video editing, which is probably the case with that. But still very interesting to see them kind of hide that crease on there on the Z Fold 4. And if you wanna watch a video in its normal coloring, I'll link it down below if you wanna check that out. Your question of the day is Z Fold 4. What do you think about it so far? The things we're hearing, you think it's a disappointment? Do you think it's headed in the right direction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. With that said, let's jump into the Q&A portion of the video and drop that. First question from Goon Squad: has your Vivo X Fold had any updates lately? If so, what was the update? I don't know. I don't remember what the exact update is, but yeah, it's had I want to say 4 updates since I've received it. So yeah, it's been getting updates. And the last question from LA Latino: do they recognize you as Greggles TV? I don't know who's they. If you mean people, fans, I never get recognized in public. Like one time I did, someone texted me like, hey, I saw you at Target. I was like, you should have said something. He's like, I didn't want to bother you. You're with your family. That would have been cool. No one ever recognizes me in public. The only time I ever get recognized is at a Samsung event. They'll be like, I don't remember what they call me. I think they just call me Greg. But no, I mean, people just call me Greg. My wife calls me Greggles sometimes. If she's mad at me, she calls me Greg. Everyone else usually just calls me Greg. Some people will just call me Greggles, like friends of ours that know me. They'll call me Greggles, but usually Greg. Mostly just Greg. but you can call me whatever you want if you want, as long as it's a nice word. Thank you so much, guys. If you have a question, leave it in the comments down below, the first word being question. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.